Hi, I'm John Paul Intano, and this is my entry for the Carrascal Youth Blood Challenge 2025. Carrascal, our home, a place blessed with nature, beauty, and life. Today, let's talk about something close to my heart, our environment, and how we, the youth, can make a difference. We forget to care. Pollution, waste, and leak breathe in our home. If we don't act now, what future we will have? As Carrascalanon, we can do small things that matter. Segregating waste, putting it into designated garbages, and joining clean-up drives. Our little action can lead to big changes. Our environment is our future, and the future starts with us, the youth of Carrascal. Together, let's protect, preserve, and love our home, Carrascal.